Savita, welcome. I want to get to that category of stocks that you think can outperform or provide some protection in this volatility. But I want to start by something that it was in the note I received of your views, and that is that the underpinnings of the market over the past, let's say, 13 years since 2009 and the turn, have basically been turned inside out. And I'd like you to go through what some of those underpinnings were and what the new is.
Sure. Yeah, I think we're at a really pivotal time in terms of kind of a massive regime change. So think about, from 2008 to just, a couple of years ago, we had a very accommodative Fed. We had accommodative monetary and fiscal policy, which crescendoed in 2020-21 with this massive bolus of fiscal and Fed stimulus. The good news is that all that money went to corporates and consumers, but the bad news is that the Fed is basically about facing in terms of easy monetary policy to tight monetary policy, from quantitative easing to quantitative tightening. So we're seeing a massive inflection just in liquidity. So that's one big change. The second big change that I think is worth paying really close attention to and has been a boon for U.S. companies is the idea that we've been enjoying this period of globalization. So companies have taken advantage of cheaper costs of stuff, people, tax arbitrage, just any sort of arbitrage you can think of outside of the rest of the U.S. has taken place. And we've seen margins for the S&P demonstrably increase.